Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. In the previous show, where I was showing you that Nobility transistor radio, I mentioned that Jeff got that radio from Radio Attic. And so I wanted to show you that website. It's a very unique website. It's got a lot of stuff on it, and it's two purposes, at least two purposes. One is for people to put their radios on there, their antique radios on there to sell. The other purpose is to provide information about antique radios. And here it is right now. It's at radioattic.com. And there's a bunch of things you can look at. This is the initial page. And here it shows some radios for sale right now. There's two radios. And it says down here, 468,000 people visited this page last year. And you are visitor number 338,000 to this page this year. So even though I had no idea this website existed, a lot of other people do. Anyway, so here we go up here, radios for sale. Okay, here's radios for sale. Here's premier sellers. I'm not sure what determines that. And then here's other featured sellers, and then here is a listing of all the radios that are for sale. And let me see if I can find them. These are antique radios for the most part. Let me see if I can find one that looks familiar. Oh, here's some books also. ARRL books. B&K, that's probably, yeah, that's test equipment. So it's other things than just radios. Here's one I'm familiar with. It's not that exciting, but here's a Bearcat BC300. So I'll click on that. There it is. There's the pictures of it. This was a fairly unique radio. It had a lot of options. It wasn't a great receiver, but it did have a lot of options, and I'd like to find one. See how much they want for it. $75. That's reasonable. I wouldn't jump at it because I'm such a cheapskate. Okay, so anyway, that's an example of a radio that's for sale right now. Let's go back, and then there's a gallery of radios. Then there's radios sold. Let's go to gallery of radios. I'm not going to go through every one of these. I'll just go through a couple of them to kind of show you what's going on. So here's different categories. See if we can find transistor radios. Here we go. Oh, here's radios with shortwave. That's what we're looking for. So here's radios for that have shortwave, old radios. Now we see, I don't know, I guess, I'm not sure if these are on sale or they're just information about radios that have sold. Let me see if I can find one that kind of draws my attention. I don't want to look too long here. Let's go to Grundig. I'm a fan of Grundig. Oh, there's no Grundigs. I'll be darned. Was there a name before Grundig? Well, this one looks interesting. I'm just going to grab this one. So I'm going to click on this. Click on the link above to contact the seller. So I guess this is for sale. And it looks in nice shape. Pretty cool. Wow, it looks pristine. Lots of pictures. Even the chassis looks clean. And he's asking $395. Way out of my price range. Okay, I just want to show you this. Let me go back to, let's go back to the top page. Go back one more. Go back one more. There it is. That's the top page. And lots of other things that are here. A pricing guide, FAQ, radios by manufacturer. And there's buku radios here. I mean, thousands of antique radios. So I thought I'd show you what I was talking about in the previous show. That's it. If you enjoyed my shows, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.